Hey everyone, and welcome back. I want to go over perception and how perception is important when trading. Specifically, I want to go over consistency in gains and 15%. I will get into what 15% is here in a second. A lot of times people hunt for the 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x gains, which there is nothing wrong with that. I personally think, for example, Palantir is going to 2x here, and I try to find the 2x or 3x gains as well. However, I want to go over how consistent gains that can be seen as modest can really grow one's account. Some may think, but not everyone, that getting an average of 15% consistently isn't a lot, but it very much is when you look into the numbers. If you started with 5 grand and consistently swing traded and got an average of 15% per swing trading period, by the 10th swing trading period, you would have $20,227.79. On the 20th trading period, you would have $81,832.69. And by the 36th trade period, you would have $1,076,364.84. I consider a swing trading period anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks, and it can be longer than that. And I am not saying this is easy, because obviously you're going to have losses along the way, as am I. And not all profitable trades will net 15% or more. But I really want to look at a real example using ARK on the 3-hour chart. But before we do, we need to set some rules. To buy, we have to have a bullish cross on the MACD and a meaningful cross on the 9-day SMA. To sell, we have to have a clear break of that SMA. And the assumptions are that we are buying and selling towards the closing of a candle. So buy and sell when the candle is about to close. So with that, let's look at ARK, ARKK. Here, we're using the Heikin-Ashi candles so it's easier to find where the trends are. So I have the percentages with the trades that would have been made if you followed the rules stated earlier. We are looking back all the way to September 25th, 2020. It's important to note that the Heikin-Ashi candles aren't 100% accurate in terms of price leveling. So to look at what the true percentage would have been if you still selling on the same candle, mind you, we're going to turn it to the regular candlesticks and see here we had a small loss right here. But let me zoom in real quick for you. So here you see 12%. These were the exact same candles as the Heikin-Ashi where we would have bought and sold. So here you go down to the bottom of the candle, use the ruler tool, and then you go where the candle ended. This is the green candle, so we end up on the top. So we have a little over 12%. And I do this throughout. So you can see, obviously, not all the profits were 15%. We had 12%, 11%. We had a 30%, so that was definitely way over. We got the sell signal here. We got a good break of the SMA. Again, break here, break there. Again, 5%, 11%, and 12% back here. If we started with $5,000 and just traded ARK, as you see here, and started in September 25th, 2020, at the end of this red line here, which is February 17th, 2021, we would have $8,452. So we would be in the third trading period going off of the 15%. Real quick, let's throw in Moon. If we bought here back in December 7th, 2020, and sold here on February 18th, 2021, we would have netted 55%, which would have come out to $7,750 if we started out with $5,000. Again, that would also be around the third trading period of 15%. I like to think of these 15% trading periods as almost a ranking level or a gaming level. You're able to see what level you're at and then look to see how far away from the level you want to be. For me, that would be the 36th trading period. It's almost like an RPG video game where you grind for gear and equipment, only this is real money and there are some serious stakes. And let me add that this is what trading's all about. This 55% you see here was 73 days, which to some people That's a long time. It is a long time. That's 73 days is a lot of days. Looking back at ARK, some people might scoff at these percentages, but really this is a lot. And I know, like, for me, for example, I can be an impatient person in my personal life and sometimes with my trading, but it's important to get perspective because this slow grind will build and build and build. Like I said, the 20th trading period is over $80,000, and by 36, that's over $1 million of consistently getting 15%. And sometimes, and I'm not saying just trade ARK and Moon or whatever, but it is possible. You're going to have losses, but if we continue to grind, hunt for good stocks, be smart, don't get too emotional, then we will reach our goals. But with all that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you like what you've seen here, please like and subscribe. That will help out the channel immensely. So again, thank you, and until next time.